Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's get started on this cut crease step by step. Okay, so starting with this the Nubian palette by JUVIAS, please. I'm gonna start with that first transition shade, that light brown, with a blending brush, and we're going to blend that all over the crease. Okay, now I'm taking another JUVIAS Place palette. This is the Saharan 2. I'm going to take that warm tone brown, and I'm going to place that on the outer corner, and also I'm going to blend that in the crease. Here I'm just taking the first blending brush that we used before to blend the edges, and I'm going to be very careful when I blend the edges and only barely touch the skin so that it gives me a seamless blend. Now I'm going to go in with that darker brown, same palette, and I'm going to focus this on the outer third of the eyelid. Once I place this eyeshadow with that brush on the eyelid, obviously, I'm going to take that same blending brush again and just blend the edges, and you'll see me doing this throughout the whole video. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and highlight under the brow bone, and I'm going to use this highlight shade. It has a gold sheen to it. And also later on, I'm going to place this same eyeshadow on the tear duct. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and grab this deep burgundy tone eyeshadow, and with that same blending brush that we've been using throughout the whole video, I'm going to blend this eyeshadow on the crease just to give me some color. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a clean blending brush. This is a MAC 224 brush. I'm going to slightly blend the edges so I don't have any harsh lines. After I'm done with that, I'm going to quickly clean under the eyes any fallout that I may have gotten from these eyeshadows. Okay, so now we're going back to the first palette, and we're going to use that dark brown shade. It almost looks black, but it's a deep brown. I'm going to use this to darken up the outer corners of the eyes. Later on, I will be using a black eyeshadow, any black eyeshadow. Okay, now it's time to cut the crease. I'm just using any concealer that I have on hand. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have her look up so that I have a nice guide on where I'm going to cut the crease. And then I'm going to go in with a actually eyeshadow brush from MAC, and I'm just going to cut the crease about halfway of the lid. Okay, to fill in the inner corners, the inner third of the eye, I'm going to use this light blue shade. for the middle of the eyelid, and to join the first shade, I'm going to use this darker blue. And I did spritz my brush and the eyeshadow with Fix Plus just to make it a little bit more vibrant. What I did to make them blend from one another, I'm going to pat them over each other a couple of times. What I'm doing here is just darkening up the outer third of the eye, the outer V, with a regular black eyeshadow from any palettes. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take the other two darker brown shades and just pat that over the darker blue so that it blends seamlessly. Okay, so this is what it should all be looking like as of right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Kat Von D tattoo liner. It's my favorite at the moment. I'm going to give her a slightly kind of long cat eye. Now I'm using my favorite lashes. I always get my lashes from eBay. I stack them together and then this is what they look like. For the waterline, now I'm going to use a navy blue eyeliner from Colourpop. To smoke out the bottom lash line, I'm just going to use the same colors that I use on top. And now, in the great tradition of a dramatic eye, we're going to go with a nude lip. You can't forget to set the face. This time I'll be using the Morphe setting spray, and this is the final look. Thank you everyone so much for watching my video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video.
Hey everybody, check it out, this beautiful final makeup look. Gorgeous, isn't it? I love it so much. Follow Makeup by Edgar and of course, LaDonna Jean Rocks. Talk to you guys soon.